As you might know, making software is really hard. The possibilities of technology opens the door for so many ideas. But how to pick the correct opportunities and create transparency across the whole organization around values and outcomes? I am Matteo Cavucci, and my job is to help executives, managers and teams to understand how to build the right digital product. Avanscoperta is giving me the chance to open my toolbox and guide you through a journey into product discovery. We will see how new methods like Lean Value Tree are helping product owners, designers and engineers to make a sense out of many possibilities and connect strategic thinking with practical daily operations. See you!